Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and we can do it by pressing the upper or the crown button rather. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the option called sound and vibration, tap on it. Here scroll down, find the option called vibration, and right here you can select one of the levels of vibrations. We have strong, soft and off. Select the option you like, then tap on OK to confirm. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.